What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a super quick, simple little makeup. This is good if you're rushing out the door, or you don't have a lot of time, or you're not like a big makeup gal. But yeah, let's get started. I start off by applying a little bit of concealer. I use this one by YS. This is really good. It was a random buy at Sephora and I just wanted to try it out. And I really like it because it doesn't settle into my little fine lines. I just take a little bit on my wrist and dab it with my little beauty blender. I like to go into just the corners first and then spread it. I like to make that like lift effect, or lift look, whatever. The difference. And that was just with like a little bit. Next, I powder with this one size translucent powder. I just take a little bit. So since I'm not wearing foundation, but my nose it's always red. Like my nose and my chin. I really like this powder, this pressed powder by Tarte. It's called Smooth Operator in medium. And I love it so much, like I need to get another one. But I just take a little brush like this and dab my nose, and it takes away the redness. Next, I just fill in a little bit of my brows. They are microbladed, but I'm getting a touch up soon, so I just fill in the tails. Then I just set them in place with this Fluff and Fix brow wax. Sephora brand. It's my favorite one. It really keeps them in place all day. They have really thin brows, so they just like fall flat. But this keeps them up. Okay. This is as good as it's gonna get. Oh, my legs just fell asleep. Pins and needles, pins and needles. Okay, so now that that's done, if you wanted to a little like eyeshadow, I have this little palette by Mario, and it's just all neutrals. So I usually take like one or like this color or that color on a fluffy brush. Where's my, oh. Here's my fluffy brush. Let's do this color. And I like just slap that on the crease. I like to take it high so it can give like that lift effect. Then I go in with mascara. I love this one by Lancome and Mascara Big by Lancome. I think Lancome makes some of the best mascaras in my opinion. But let's go in with Hypnose. I always get it on my lid. It's unavoidable. But this one's really good because you just go back in with a cotton swab after it dries and it just flakes right off. Look at the mess I made. Okay, now I do a little like bronzing. You can skip this step if you're in a hurry. I like to do a little bit on my nose. Just do a little bit, just to give me some color. My hair is wild today. It's just so humid outside and whatever, we're not even gonna talk about that. Now I do, oh, I forgot my bottom lashes. I like this one for my bottom lashes. The brush is really tiny and it doesn't transfer. Next I go in with a little blush. If I'm doing like a super natural look, I love this color by MAC, True Harmony. It's like a mauvey brown, I don't know. It's really pretty. So I take like this little fluffy brush. And I like my skin to look dewy. I love this Magic Luminizer by RMS Beauty. It's called Magic Luminizer. It looks like skin. It's so pretty. I apply it with this little brush. Just gives you like that natural glow. Take some of my Cupid's bow, tip on my nose. And then I do a little gloss or whatever you want to put on your lips. Then I take like a little gloss or something for my lips. I love this one by Summer Fridays. It's the vanilla, what's it called? Vanilla Beige. It smells so good. And I set it with this HA spray by Timeless. So yeah, guys, this is the look. Don't mind my frizzy hair. Super simple, no foundation. You know, if you just want to look put together, look dewy, heading out the door, simple makeup routine. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment down below. I'll answer as best as I can. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.